What's going on, everybody? I am JB, and I'm back with a video dealing with these here dreadlocks, and something a little different today. I'm finna repair one of my locks. So I had this one in the middle. It's been giving me some concern for some time now. How it was like thick here, but then really thin in the middle. Then it gets back thick here. You know, and I can't really pinpoint when that took place. Probably from me crocheting it before and splitting it apart and and all that kind of stuff. But now that it has gotten to this point, I'm just going to crochet it all the way and be done with it. So just before I did this video, this lock was crocheted with this lock, but partially. It was about right here. It was combined about right here, and but not all the way down to the root. And I can still feel that little indentation there or whatnot. But that was basically how this was. And yeah. And so before I did this video, I split them apart because I knew that this lock was basically just like really thin in this portion. And so I just wanted to take a look at it and check on it. And so after doing so, which probably should just left it alone, uh, I now decided to go ahead and combine these two all together, making it one. It's going to make these two one. All right. So at first I was trying to crochet it to the point where making them split in the ends, like so, but it still would have that, you know, thin bottom or that little spot in the bottom. But yeah. So anyway, so got this crochet hook. I'll show you how I'm gonna combine these locks. This is a 0.75 millimeter, and yeah. So let's get to combining. If you've seen my videos, you've seen a video before where I've crocheted locks before, but I think this is the first one I did where no, I think I did another video, short video, where I combined locks. There was the ones in the back, a couple of them in the back, but yeah. So I'm just gonna combine these two here and going on the way. I won't go all the way down to the root. I'll probably just start right here and just work my way up. But yeah, and just let it grow from there with the new growth. So here we go. So how I combine locks or how I do the crochet is I'm going up and down, bow, bow. Because therefore I keep the hair coming towards the scalp and not pulling away. And I could go side to side, but to me it just seems it's more comfortable going this direction with it. So yeah. And I just do this all the way up. So that part where it was thinner at, I'm really joining them in, but getting that portion underneath as well. And so see, it's already combining as it is. But I'm gonna keep it going because I don't want to have this little thin part breaking off into the other lock right here. So you see this? How it's just thin right here? Like I could just stop here and it's just combined, but I don't like that. So I'm gonna combine a little further up. So even though I turned the lock down, I'm still going the same direction, going towards the root, or pulling it in towards the root. Now, some people when they crochet, they twist the lock a little bit as they're going around it. But seeing as I'm basically just keeping these side by side, and I know that the way I'm forming this is gonna grow out flat. That's why I'm not worried about turning it as I crochet it. All right, so um, I was just gonna like do this all as a single, and just make it all one. But I'm thinking I'm okay with it not being single all the way through. See how that looks. But that's combined now. It's not gonna break off. It's gonna grow from there. So that's what I wanted. You know, that thin part was concerning me, but now I took care of it. So yeah, I think that's good. Let me know what you guys think. If I could, I could combine it all the way down. Just make one lock because this is a single that I have nearby it, and this is another single. And at one point, I wanted to combine all four of these. Like I wanted to combine all these together, you know. But I ain't like the way it was going to stand up on my head. So I let these be single. But yeah, I think that's good though. But that's repairing that lock or combining it to repair it and keep it going. And so from that lock that was thin, this is that lock here. You see a little bit hump there. That's from that thinner portion of it. I just crochet them side by side, and there we go. So anyway, that's how you combine locks with the crochet hook. Hope this been helpful for you. Remember, I am JB, Jesus the way, and leave your locks alone, guys. Leave them alone. I'm learning as I go, still learning. Anyway, peace out.